All right, guys, you want to replace your charge door on your Levo, Specialized Levo. This little door was manufactured kind of poorly, and it only had a plastic flap. You can see my duct tape on there. I just bought the bike used, but it was under warranty, luckily. And you guys can change this at no cost under warranty as well. And they probably will send it to you even if it's out of warranty. It's a cheap part for them. They really should send it to you. What they've done is they've updated it with a hinge, and I'll show you what I got. So here's the new one. It's hinged. You can see it's got a spring-loaded hinge, which is nice, and the little lock lever works better too. This one was actually, when I went to pick the bike up, the guy broke it off by trying to plug the plug in and hit it with his hand and snapped it off. It shot across the parking lot, and I was like, yikes. Anyway, no big deal. It's a piece of plastic kind of junk. So it's quite simple. I basically took out the battery. It's got the one screw on the bottom of the bike here, and the whole battery slides out, and that's probably the easiest way to do it. And you can put it up on the bench, and then it's a tiny, this is, I believe, a metric Allen, but it's tiny. I don't know the size because my eyeballs aren't strong enough to see it, but maybe you can see it in there. Actually, I see something, but anyway, my eyeballs aren't strong enough. So this thing was slid in here like this, underneath, slid in here like this, underneath this other piece of plastic, but you don't have to take this off. It just slides around a little bit, and you can kind of just move it to the side. And there's two screws. They're kind of hard to see. There's only two. They're microscopic. And the two screw points, I'll put this back in position, are right here, this one, and kitty corner, this guy. This one is not, this one's to access another nut, so that's not one. This one and this one, just two. There they are. They had some Loctite on them, and they're this microscopic metric Allen. So once you've got those two screws out, you can kind of slide her out this way. This will lift off of it without much flexing at all. And now we go in with the new one. So unfortunately, I only have one hand because I don't have a tripod right now, but you get the idea. I'm going to pop this back in, pop the two screws in, close my door, slide my battery back in, and I'm good to go. All right, there'll be a link down below to Specialized part, but I believe you can get it for free no matter what, because it snaps off quite easily. It's poorly designed. They updated it obviously with this hinge, so we're in business. I hope that helps you guys. I'll have more videos coming up on this new Specialized Turbo Levo Expert. I got lucky. I found an expert. About a year old. It's a 2022 or 2023, depending upon how you look at it. It was new in June of 23, so I'll do some more videos soon on this thing. What a beast. Had I known how awesome these things were, which I guess you guys already know, I would have bought one years ago. There's my old Specialized Stump Jumper Carbon Comp. Nice bike, great bike, but here's the new baby. New to me. Talk to you guys later. Appreciate any likes and subscribes.